Hello everyone. Hi friends. I, Dr. R. Vishnupriya, Assistant Professor of Physics, the Majura College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, will act as your course coordinator. I welcome you all to this MOOCs course on nuclear and particle physics offered in Swayam platform. Dr. S.I.A. Philomena Raj, retired Head of the Department of Physics, Madras Christian College, Tambaram, Chennai, is the designer of this course. He has 35 years of teaching experience for UG and PG students. He has guided more than 40 MPhil students and presented paper in BARC Nuclear Physics Symposia held in Mumbai. He has obtained PhD in nuclear radioactivity from Madras University. He has authored practical physics books for MSc and BSc students. Have you ever imagined the world without matter? Atoms are in our bodies and they bond together to form molecules which make up matter. So, nothing is possible in this world without atoms and nucleus. This course is intended to introduce students to the fundamental concepts that underline nuclear physics properties, starting with a glimpse into the development of nuclear physics and its particulates. This course focuses on phenomena occurring in the nuclear field. Students pursuing this course will be given an insight into the dimensions of a nucleus. Students will also be able to understand the natural processes that allow the dating of living tissues. Students will also be able to analyze production and decay reactions, fundamental particles, applying conservation principles to determine the types of reactions taking place and the possible outcomes. The students will learn about various types of radiations and their interactions with matter. This course is structured to educate about different forms of nuclear reactions as well as their energy levels. The goal of this course is to provide wide coverage on nuclear and particle physics by which the students can continue their explanation and exploration in nuclear science. After pursuing this course, the student will be able to understand any application of nuclear and radiation science you wish to specialize in. Each and every module of this course is designed to provide students with the necessary knowledge in the field of nuclear and particle physics. This course is of 4 credits and runs around 12 weeks, comprising of 35 modules. The content of this course will be delivered through the video lectures, reading and reference materials, and discussion forums. The content has been developed and validated by the team of experts and produced by EMRC, Anna University, Chennai. Each week of this course will include an assignment and each module will have multiple choice questions. Assignment pattern of this course includes an online in-term and proctored in-term assessment exams. Internal assessment 30% and proctored examination 70%. Total marks 100, passing mark 40. The credits will be given by Madurai Kamaraj University. This course is designed for all the undergraduate students. Course will also be helpful for all the aspiring candidates on nuclear physics. This course will provide opportunity to any individual who is interested in learning about nuclear and particle physics. Dear friends, I encourage you all to enroll in this course to enhance your knowledge in the field of nuclear and particle physics. Thank you.